towards me. My heart was beating like 6 million beats per second. Like I thought that was it. I thought I was definitely gonna write off the car. Um, but yeah, she said sorry. That's all she said. Sorry, and then carried on. I guess there isn't much we could do after that. There was no damage.
Oh! Oh my god. Oh.
I took a lot of time off here in town. I took off, if I'm being honest with you, when I was writing on show.
What a stupid driver is this? Did you Jesus. That was close. Got that on camera as well. You're right. 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 You're right I think she just stamped on the accelerator and she... Huh? Yeah. She's not used to it, is she? Huh? It's electric. She didn't hit the car, did she?
No, she hit the gravel.
Yeah, I know, she went on...
You can see there's nothing on her car.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was lucky.
I think I'm around here, love. No.
What the fuck are you doing?
It's only one lane. This isn't a 2-lane, sir.
To it after I watched the episode. It's not the song I would play at a birthday party. No, probably not. But I love that song. People are gonna sneak off from this party, and they're gonna have some cake in the warehouse. The warehouse is the sneak site, clearly. And I mean, isn't Angela uncomfortable being in that room with all those other people, including her fiance? She doesn't have any guilt about it. I guess not. She has no problem sleeping at night. We've established that. That's true. Stanley is in the room with the cake, but he's not even eating it. He said his tastes have changed. Now all he likes is baklava, which I thought was a really interesting thing to say because baklava is very, very sweet. Like if you've lost your sweet tooth, I mean, it's nutty. I love a baklava. I do too. It's dense though. It's a dense, sugary treat. I know.
Please?
And I often eat too much of it and I get a stomachache because, you know, they give you a tiny piece and I'll eat like 5 of them because they're just so good. Well, that's what happens with you. You're always like, Ange, look how cute, it's so tiny. I know. And then you're like, Ange, I have a stomachache. I know. Dwight, Holly, Michael.
¡Con el bebé, pelotudo! ¿Qué encerrás, porro? ¡Concha de tu madre!
Dog ain't got COVID, Chris. He's got, You're gonna force... I can't go back. I've got, well, you can't go back. Yeah, but I have a car behind me.
Yeah, you need to go back.
We have got a car.
We've got a car behind us.
We have a car behind.
Yeah, we're going to have to go forward, Chris.
Let's go. If you move up there, I'll go down
Go
there.
back over there, if you can get over a bit further.
Go back.
Oh, I'm actually going to get out of the car and I'm going to smack him in a minute.
Hang on, Chris.
I'll back you up.
Well, we've got cars together.
Right. Back it off to the right.
Yeah, there's cars together.
Fucking cunt!
Right, there's cars behind him as well. I can't go back any further.
What's he doing now?
I don't know.
Oh my days! I'm...
Oh, he's going back. Get back in. He's going back now. He's... Fucking roadways, isn't it? Fucking will be in a minute.
If you go back, I can just see.
We could skip through here. Yeah, you're clear.
Wanker.
Fucking nonce.
Wanker. Anything else doesn't wait there. Fucking wanker.
2 more back that way.
There's 2 more back that way. Don't go.